Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to transfer money from your bank account to Revolut. First, open up Revolut app, use your fingerprint or your PIN to get in. Click on Add Money button right here and then choose a method of adding your money. So click on Change and choose a regular bank transfer, Google Pay, debit or credit card, or add a paycheck. So for most of you, the Google Pay is the best option if you have already added your card to Google Pay. If you don't, use bank transfer or debit card. I will use Google Pay because in my case it is the best one. Then type here the amount. So let's say 50 euro. You can also see how much do you have here in euros and how much you are adding. Then press on GPay and this will open up GPay and press continue. Then use your fingerprint as a confirmation and you should see a review of this. Your transaction is being processed, as you can see, and now your balance is added. So this is how you transfer money from your bank account to Revolut. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.